We have created one more one-click solution for our client to extract data from Word file to Excel. Like we have to extract this number from this particular Word file. We have to extract this information. This is the location. Let's get this part. We have to extract this table information, and we have to clean up this a little bit, and we get all the data in this particular place. And this is a one-click solution as well. You can just get the Word file path, click on this, and we have the Word open. So once this is done, it's all data has been extracted. Okay. So that is one-click solution as well. And if you need this kind of any kind of automation in Excel or PowerPoint or Outlook, please reach out to us. Thank you.